Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Previously I have made walk around review of my 2009 Honda City. So if you are interested, you can check out that video, link in the description box. Today I'll be installing towel seat covers on my car. I have bought them online, so quickly I'll show you the package and what are the content it has. The product link is also provided in the description. There are multiple brands available with lot of color options. This one I have bought particularly for Honda City with beige color. It comes with this bag. This is very thin cloth material. These can only protect your seats from sweat and dust, and they are not waterproof. So initially, if you have less budget, you can go for it only for short period of time. Personally, I don't use my car much, so that's the reason I have bought this just as a temporary solution, mainly to prevent from sweat during long trip. You get 2 front seats, 4 headrests, and a cover for rear bench seat. Even they have given a zip to open the armrest. Now we'll install it. Make sure you clean the dust before installing.
Finally, this is how it looks. I hope the video will be useful for those who are searching for towel seat covers. Thank you for watching, guys. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one.